Hello. Okay guys, in today's video I just want to use everything, like all my favorite stuff. This foundation I'm using is from Juvia Place. I think this shade is Kampala. I know it's not Lagos, obviously. Okay, the brush I'm gonna use is from our makeup brush collection. I'm just gonna blend everything to my skin. Just dab them all over. The primer I use is from the Revolution Pro primer. That primer is really good. This is 10 hours wear. All these are my favorite stuff what I'm using today's video. I'm just gonna use this concealer, dab it down with our brush. This brush is also from our collection. Dab. This is 10 hours wear. Seems to be doing it for me in this summer. This concealer is truly good. The Juvia Place setting powder, the shade is Sahara. Okay, like I was saying, this brush is also from our brush collection. Just use it to dab their setting powder under my eyes. Face powder, this is face powder from Sasha Matte. Just dab this all over, like press it down over my skin, all over my face, then wipe it off. This is bronzer from Revolution. It's not enough. I'm gonna get the Tammi times Revolution. It means these two shades together. It's really working for me lately, and I'm loving all these products this summer. These are my favorites. Like, just have them in table, don't be switching. You see that? Okay, I'll use the blush from the pan. This one is called Golden Hour Face Palette, Revolution S Tammi. I truly like this as well. The highlighter, I need to go easy this time because on my last video I went way too heavy. I swear to God. This highlighter intends to disappear on your skin, but it will still be there, so don't be fooled by it. It melts, you see, it kind of disappear. So I just do my nose contour now. Use that same two shades, contour and bronzer, mix them together, and it's really working. This is from collection Boots setting spray, matte setting spray. Okay, now let's move on to the eye. P. Louise base, of course. Dab it down. Okay, voila. Tammi times Revolution. That is the face palette I'm using. I'm gonna do that light purple. I haven't got the palette with me right now, so I don't have the name of the shades. Okay. All right, I got the palette with me now. That shade I'm just dabbing down is called True Love. I'm gonna get more of this shade. I'm gonna just dab until I get that maximum pigment. Then I will use the same brush with nothing on it apart from the leftover. Just blend both eye. What I do to this eye is what I'm gonna do to the other eye. See what I'm doing here? Just the leftover, just use it to blend my brow area, just to kind of lighten it tiny little bit. Then I will go back to that same shade, which is True Love. I will dip where, yeah, this area on my crease. I will make sure it's really deep there. Yeah, that's it. Take another brush from our brush collection. I'll go in with Dust. That yellow shade is called Dust. It's so good, you know. Anyway, I said it on my previous video when I reviewed this palette. I said this third row is my favorite. All the matte shade, I can't get enough of them. Then I'll go in with Sun Rays, which is a shimmer shade. First time using this second row. I think I have used it, but yeah, I did. But first time actually using this shimmer. which is this shade, Sun Rays. The shade is good. Then I went in with Firefly pressed glitter. Just press it down with my hand. Press it and press it like what I said before. What I do to this eye is what I'm gonna do to the other eye. I use a tiny liquid brush to stretch it down. So the shade I'm using right now is not showing on camera. It's Cocktails. This shade is also red. It's red and it's also pressed glitter. So I'm just gonna apply on top of what I've already got. Now I need to do my bottom lash. Okay, the shade I am using is Sunrise. This shade is also good. When I mean good, stunning. Sunrise on my bottom lash. It have nothing to do with it, but then I went back in with Dust. Dust I'm using kind of faded down. The eyeliner I use is from Rimmel. This is liquid eyeliner. It's from Rimmel. Even the one I use on my waterline is from Rimmel as well. So I will just do eyeliner. I need to be careful. Again, hooded eyes with eyeliner, they don't get along, but we're not going to let that stop us, because people always say, oh, if you have hooded eyes, eyeliner, do a small line, just tighten your eye, stuff like that. But I don't want to listen to that at all. I believe hooded eye can wear eyeliner, and I like eyeliner. That's not gonna stop me. Cake liner from Tammi. The shade is hard. Camera is not picky, it's waving, so let's just ignore that one. So according to, not according to this cake liner, you can activate it with water. All you need is just water. Mix it down like I mentioned when I review this. Make sure it's liquidy. You can go over it like what I'm gonna do. Go over it as many times as you want, but don't make it too thick. The last time I used it, I make it too thick. It was like a plastic. But now that I got the grip of it now, I am using it often. I'm doing the other eye right now. You see the line, how clean and straight it is. Gorgeous. So basically now it's now, double liner I'm doing now. I've done the black eyeliner. Now I'm not doing the cake liner, which is graphic liner. Yeah, people are going crazy when it comes to graphic liner on social media. It's crazy. The different look people are just creating is amazing. W7 mascara. When it comes to this, it's not end there. That's what I was just gonna say. So I pick another one. Pick another shade. This one is Apple. Because for me, what I did before is too boring. We just want a different color. Julia will not go home without having some color on her eyelid. So here I am, just applying Apple on top of what I've got. You will be like, what does this got to do with it? I will be like, well, it's makeup. There is no legislation, so let's play. No makeup, no game. There we go. I hope you guys are all doing well. So the lashes I'm using is from our new collection, which is MIT2 I'm using right now. I will leave the link below. There we go. So let's move on to lippy now. This is from Primark, is Duo. So on one side you have like a lip liner. Then on the other, if you turn it around, then you have the actual lipstick. It's a bit matte, but it's not matte that will drive you crazy. This won't drive you crazy at all. It's really good. It doesn't crease on you or dry your lip like as if someone gonna die. It's really good. I would highly recommend this. There we go. I'm not gonna end there. I will use Revolution Pro liquid lipstick I'm using. Here it's not the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Tra guys.